So I'm pretty sure everyone have heard about Canva before, but maybe not everyone know that you can actually use Canva to do your Twitch graphics. Some of the Twitch graphics that we have is, for example, like you usually need your Twitch banner or your Twitch offline media player, right? And then your emotes, especially, and also your overlays, and also your alerts. This is mostly what we use Twitch graphics for. Also you can use Twitch graphics also to do your channel redemption points, okay? But today I'll see what we can do. But firstly, let's see how you can do emotes, because emotes is something like a lot of people usually find it hard to do. So we're gonna see how you can do emotes in Canva. Firstly, in Canva, if you don't have account, let me just log out of my account first. Alright, so back to Canva. If you don't have account yet, you can register for an account. Basically, you can either do it with your Google, do it with your Facebook, or you just want to use your email. I already have my Google, so I'm gonna just continue with my Google. This is my Google account. It's easier if you have Google account, Gmail account, I mean, then you just log in with it. So once you come here, you have free account. This is also a free account I'm using, so I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Of course, if you have Canva Premium, then it will be much better. You will have a lot more option. But trust me, you don't need Canva Premium to actually do any Twitch graphic. You can do it even with the free version one. Firstly, you want to do the Twitch graphic, you can just find out over here. So what we're gonna do is Twitch emote. So you can just type on Twitch emote. Okay, and then you click on enter, and then you're gonna see all this selection, and most of them, as you can see, they are free actually to be used. So you can pick something first, okay, that is close to your stream or your stream style, whatever you want. I thought this is potato just now. I'm about to choose this one because it looks like a potato. I'm a gamer girl, right? So let's choose this one. We'll choose this. There's a lot over here actually. Okay, so once you click on this, you can click on customize this template, and it will come out to this new, it will open up this new window, right? So this is basically everything over here, and all of this, as you can see, you can customize the color for each of these. But firstly, I don't advise you to change it over here, because you can't, when you want to download later, when you uploading your emotes to Twitch, you have to upload it one by one, which means you have to save the file as one emote as one file. So for that, you create new pages. You can just type on 8 page, right? And then you go for choose the one that you want. Say this is the first one, so you just have to copy them over here, or you can just drag it over here. All right, so we are working on a new page. So for this one, you make it big as this one. So once over here, you can start editing it. So let's say my theme is, if you see my theme style is like purplish, so maybe we change. Maybe I want like the outline right now is in black color, but I can totally change that to like a darker, this purple color. I think I can change it to a darker purple color. Not so I changed the outline already to some darker color. And then the hair, I don't know if I want a purple hair, but I can definitely do a purple hair if I want. Maybe a little bit soft. I'm just showing it. You guys can totally do whatever you want to do. You can change everything. So the mouth probably is more red, something like that. Okay. And then this is the eyes. For some reason it's pink here, but you can totally change it again. Oh, it's together with the clothes, so I think I will stick to the purple. So because it's just much more fitting with my color. Okay, and then this is the face color. If you want your emotes to be like green, it can be green, it can be blue. Alright, if you don't like it, there's an undo button at the top here, or just use your normal keyboard shortcut key, Control Z, to undo whatever mistake you made. That's it. You can change it. You already changed the color, you changed already anything you want to change. If you want to add more, you can add more. I'll tell you, let's say you want to add like a sparkly things, right? Over here, emotes usually sometimes, this kind of emotes, this looks like a hype emote or something, like a shock emotes or like a mesmerizing, I do not know what you call it, kind of emote, right? So you can add the sparkly star thing. You just go to elements and then type on like, I don't know, sparkly, sparkle, okay? So you go to graphics, don't take photos or video. You can take photos, but normally you can't change photos, you can't change the color. Alright, videos, frames, they have all this, but you can go to graphics first, see all, and then you will have this little sparkly thing. If they have like this little crown on it, that means it's premium. So you don't have to choose premium. Like I say, if you pay for premium, of course you're gonna get more selection, but even without premium, you have a lot. Like here, over here, we already have this starting, and you can just add it. Maybe, I don't know, I'm not quite sure. Maybe make it a bit smaller like that. And then if you want, so we do another side on it, copy paste only. You can use your normal keyboard shortcut. Okay, then you can do it sparkly like this. You can add your own touch to it. If you want like height, you can also find heart shape and do it over here. You can add like height. I don't. Okay, so just it only, the limitation is only your creativity, and in this case it's my own creativity. I don't think heart fits here. All this graphic you can also change, like this one. If I want the star to be purple color, okay, that's not gonna work, it doesn't show. Then you can change the color, red color. I can change the color. I want it to, but I'm sticking with yellow, of course. Okay, but you can change the color. When you go to graphic, you can always change this color, like this heart over here. You can change the color, okay, if you want it. So let's say we already put the sparkle things, we already changed the color and all. Now we're gonna save it, okay? So when you want to save it, you go to share over here and then go down a little bit and you will see the download button. Click on that. Now here's the thing. Free account, you cannot save it as transparent. So I'm gonna show you another website that we can use later on to remove. Right now we will save this one first. So it will ask you, you want to save all the pages. I have two pages. The first part where there's a lot of the emote, and this one I just want to save this one. This is the page number 2. So I untick this and I just choose page 2. So I click done, and then you can download it right now. The size is 1 because this is a emotes file, emotes template, so it's already in the biggest emotes 112 times 112 px. But I will suggest to you that if you actually want to use your emotes for your overlay graphics too, or your Twitch banner graphics or anything like that, for you to save it in a larger size, like like 1000 and everything. But that one is premium. You can do it, but you have to do in a different template. Right now we will save this one first. Okay, so go back, download, we will save it, just and then done, and then we download it to our computer first. Okay, so now you see that it still has that background beside it. Okay, so we're gonna remove that background. Now we go back to our, just type on remove background. Okay, and then this is the one that I always use, this remove.bg. This is free and it's very easy. I'll show you. Just upload your image over here. So we upload our emote just now. Open. Okay, and then it will do its own magic. It will remove the background. Now the background is already removed. Okay, so what you have to do, just download it. Alright, that's it. Now if I open this file, it should remove my background and I will only have the emote. There we go. We have our emote right now. So our emote don't have background, and you can upload this to your Twitch right now. So let's go back to our browser. Let's say open your Twitch and then viewer rewards, and then go to emotes, and you can upload your new emotes over here. You can upload it standard emote, and then you can just put the one that you have removed the background over here, and the Twitch will do its magic like this. You can also do another one, which is you want to make this as animated. I think Twitch itself has this one, like the animated by using Easy Animate, right? So basically you can pull this one and it will animate your emote. So this is if you want it to be animated. So you have a lot of animation over here. This is the one on Twitch, but I'm gonna show you there's another website where you can go to, which is you go to make emoji. Scroll down a little bit. It should be, what is it called? I don't remember. Oh, this one, the one with the cat picture. It's called make emoji, right? Go here. This one is even better than the Twitch one. I do not know why it coming out like this. What is this? Might looks a bit different to you. Last time it looks a bit different to me, but I don't use this website too often. But this website is good. And then you have choose file over here. Upload your emote file and open it. After you choose your file, scroll down. This is where the magic happens. Ta-da! You have so many options for how you want your emote to be animated. Right, look at them all. They look so cute. So you can choose. This is not the only thing you can do, right? So you have pet, you have nyan cat spinning, and over there. Okay, and all these. You can also change the color. You can go for rainbows if you want your emotes to be like in rainbows color. So now my emote is changing to this rainbow color. If not, you can do this too. And then you can change the speed if you want it to be faster or you want it to be slower. And this little arrow is actually showing the direction of where it's moving, because some of these emote, like this sliding over here, right, they are sliding to which direction. Right now it's to the right, but you can change it up or down or left. So you're gonna see over here now it's sliding up. All right, that's it. That's how you can do your emotes for free in Canva.